clincher. Oh, God.
Coming soon on the new season of TFL's Cheap Jeep Pickup Challenge.
We're taking it back old school, back to 1989 with a Jeep Comanche.
Yep, and we're gonna customize it, and then we're gonna take it to Moab and compare it to the Gladiator. All right, so we're gonna find out next whether this thing is salvageable and whether we're gonna spend a lot on our cheap Jeep or just not quite a lot.
Yeah, exactly. See where we gotta go next, man.
Some EFG's pizza cutters. Look at these bad boys. But here's my concern. These are 33s.
Oh, he's straight.
I'm here with Devin, our mechanic, and we're trying to install these shocks onto the Comanche, but we've run into a problem.
Actually, the brakes are really good. Oh, not that good though.
Well, Tommy, I gotta tell you, I think we got a good one.